Today I've got a tip for you. So this tip will increase your click-through rate on Google search results by 50%. So that is structured data. So structured data actually enhances your search results by giving the maximum information to the users. The structured data uses a schema.org vocabulary, which actually talks to the search engine and gives the maximum information. Then the search engine takes that information and shows that in a rich format. That rich format is called rich snippets. So I've got few examples for you. So if you are an article and if you're using article schema, this is how it will look. See, this is for the books. Let me show you few examples. This is for the event. So if you got an event and you're using event schema, this is how it will look. And for this FAQ, this is very popular, and this is the how to, and it will show you how to tie a tie, and it will show all these steps. And then the most important and the most popular one is this local business, and then you've got the product schema, which is extremely important. So this is how it will look. Let me give you some real-time examples. So for the iPhone review, you can see there is this search result already, but obviously most of the people are gonna click this because it's got rating, it's got the name, it's more enriched, it's more user friendly. So let me give you some more examples. This is for the recipe, and this is for events schema, and this one is the FAQ. So now which plugin to use? So I recommend schema and structured data plugin. So this is one of the most popular schema plugin in the WordPress industry, and I definitely recommend you to use it. So that's it for now, guys. I hope this tip helped you, and if you want more important informational videos like this, just let me know in the comments and I would be happy to help you. Thank you.